Good morning, children. Beta, there is only one Vyom, no? In class 9?
Ma'am, 2.
There are two Vyoms.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good
How many
morning, ma'am.
sentences did you do yesterday?
Ma'am, till exercise 2, para 1.
Okay, we have done exercise 2, para 1. Yes, I remember. So today we will write the heading as exercise 2, para
2.
Yes, exercise 2, para 2. Chalo, let's start.
Ma'am, but the para 1 was not completed.
Okay, chalo, let's take para 1 only again. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Plan your answers for para 1 and I'll discuss the answers. Nobody will write the answers before we discuss the answers, children. Otherwise, you'll do a lot of cutting in your notebooks. So it's better. First, just plan, we'll discuss, only then we'll write. Please take 2 minutes, plan the answers for the first paragraph and raise your hands. Don't say done, done, done. Simply raise your hands.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta. Plan the answers, children, for para 1 and raise your hands. Don't write, Abhi. We are going to discuss first.
Ma'am, we have to start from para 2. Para 1 was done yesterday.
Students are saying that para 1 was not completed. So let's do it once again. No issues. Some of the students said they want to do para 1 again.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it was not completed. Ma'am, we completed.
Beta, it's okay. It's okay. We're doing it now. We're doing it again. It's absolutely okay. Even if it was done and some of you want to do it again, in case there is any confusion, like we'll do it again. Let's practice again.
All right, ma'am.
You have to just raise your hands. Let me see how many of you have raised your hands. What about other students? Though we had already discussed. Anyways, let's do it. Let's start discussing. The chameleon is a relative dash the lizard.
Off.
Off.
Of the lizard. It is a reptile It can be found dash
In-
Africa and Madagascar.
In Africa and Madagascar.
Good. You can also find it in some parts of Asia and Southern Europe. Some varieties of camelin can grow dash a length of 60 centimeters.
At a length.
Oh.
At a length.
To a length. Yes, the correct answer is to a length of 60 centimeters. It should be 2 only. Very good. However, the most common variety does not grow more than 30 centimeter long. The most interesting thing dash the camelin
About.
is
About.
about will be better. Off is also correct. Is that it is able to change color. It is able to change quickly. Dash white to yellow.
From white.
Very good, beta. From white to yellow, black, green, or brown. It is able to do this. Okay. Because of the difference dash light and temperature of its
Of.
difference in because of the difference in light and temperature. Okay. The camelin lives on trees. Its tail and feet can hold on.
To the branches. Two.
Excellent. You can take in also, you can take for also. Both were correct for light and temperature. To the branches while it is reaching dash to catch its prey.
Out.
Reaching out. Too good. That means you know the answers. Reaching out. Excellent, children. So we are moving on to para 2 now. Some of you wanted a revision of paragraph 1, which is already done. Now I'm scrolling down. Smart children. We need to finish this exercise today. Let's move on.
Ma'am, we did not do this 9, 10, 11, 12.
Admit all. Let's do this. What are you
Then we
speaking?
still have to do 9, 10, 11, and
Yes,
12.
yes, you want me to revise this also? Okay. The
Yes,
camelin can
ma'am.
remain very still dash a branch.
On a branch.
Ma'am, on a branch.
On a branch dash hours.
4 hours.
4 hours.
As a result, when it is hunting, its prey will not even know it is there. The camelin has a long sticky tongue. It can shoot dash its tongue.
With.
Two.
Out will be better. It can shoot out its tongue dash a distance of 10 centimeters.
For a distance.
To a distance. It can shoot out its tongue to a distance of 10 centimeters or up to a distance. Both are correct. Up to and to both are correct. The camelin also has interesting eyes. Each eye can turn independently. Thus, the right eye can look right while the left one can look left. Can you do this? Right eye look right, left eye look left.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not simultaneously.
Who is this yes man? Who is this special human being who said yes, they can look right to right and left to left? Huh?
Ma'am, not professionally like a chameleon.
Oh, professional.
I'm not simultaneously.
Yes, exactly. We cannot do that simultaneously. If you want to look right, then both your eyes automatically will move towards, the vision will go towards right. And if you want to see something towards left, it's very difficult for human beings to see left eye say left part and right eye say right. That's not easy, beta. Anyways, you're trying to develop that skill. Very nice. But as of now, develop the skills of using. What chapter is this?
Preposition.
10 students have raised their hand. I have just shown on the screen. It's not even been 1 minute. Paragraph 2. How can you raise your hands? You've not even read 9, 8. Is it the previous paragraph that you had raised hand for? Obviously,
Yes,
it must be
ma'am.
the
We are
Yes,
too
ma'am.
lazy
Yes,
to lower
ma'am.
our hands.
I was thinking that I'm dealing with Supermans and Supergirls. 30 seconds, all He-Man, Batman, what all mans you have on TV? Prashasti. Hurry up. Now raise your hands, Trish, for para 2.
Ma'am,
You're
I have not
behaving like-
read yet.
Not read. 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 I'm giving you time. Please plan the answers for the second paragraph. Hurry up. Just raise your hands after you plan your answers. Let me see how many hands now. Only 2. Then I'll wait. I'll wait for others as well.
Actually, I was not able to answer first paragraph answer because it was some network issue that time.
Let me see how many hands raised now. Oh, good number. That's a good number. Very good. Yes, I'm speaking now. The dromedary is a type of a camel kept dash desert people.
Bye.
By. Very good.
Bye.
Kept by. Yes, it is by. Kept by desert people. It's not an easy animal to handle. It never becomes friends. Dash its master.
Of
Very
its
good.
master.
Very good.
off.
No, with. It never becomes friends with its master or anybody else. Every night, these animals have to be pushed dash to their knees.
Down.
Down
Down.
to the knees.
Down or on both can be taken. Down to the knees, on to the knees, both will be correct. Okay, I'll take what you are saying. Okay, let me take this. And tied dash tightly.
Them.
Tied up. Very good. Very good. Tied up tightly. Excellent. Okay. The dromedary is strong. It can easily throw dash all it's carrying.
Off.
Very off.
Off.
O double F. Which off is this? O double
O double F.
F. Very good. It can easily throw off. This is the perfect word that you can use. All it's carrying and gallop madly dash. Gallop madly.
In.
Away.
Away can be better. Very good. We can take away also. This is, if you have another word in your mind, you let me know. To lead these animals, the nomads use long reins. These reins are tied dash in iron ring.
By.
Bye.
With an iron ring.
Two and with. Two and with both are correct. Okay, which 2 words you can use? You can use two also, you can use with also. Both of them are correct. The iron ring is pushed dash the nostril of the animal.
In.
In.
Into. Ma'am, into.
Into. Continually.
Yes, it is into, beta, pushed into. Because it is in motion, so we are going to take it as into the nostril of the animal. The dromedaries can live dash thorny plants.
In.
Very good. Too good. They can live in thorny plants, leaves, twigs, and dried grass that other animals can't eat. They keep stores of fat dash the humps.
On.
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 In.
In the humps of the back, their bodies can use these stores of fat dash bad times.
In.
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 In bad times, when there is no food, they can make water dash these stores too. From.
Tom.
Very good. They can make water from these stores too. Dromedaries are able to go dash food and water dash many days.
Without.
Without.
With food and water for many
Without food
days.
and
For-
water for
Without
many days.
food.
For many
For-
days. Hence, they are extremely useful for journeys dash the desert.
Across.
Across the desert.
Across.
Across the desert, in the desert, both are correct. Who will speak the entire paragraph with answers? Yes.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
I?
may I?
First,
may I
first she
speak?
said, first child who said first she'll read, then others can also read. You have to keep checking whether all her answers are correct or not when she speaks. Start, Beta. Start. What happened? You said you want to speak.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am
Start.
speaking.
Start.
Yes, ma'am, Divyan.
Yes,
The
yes, Jig- start.
dromedary is a type of camel kept by the desert people. It is not an easy animal to handle. It never becomes friend with with its master or anybody else. Every night, these animals have to be pushed down to their knees and tied up tightly. The dromedary is strong. It can easily throw off all its carrying and gallop madly away. To lead these animals, the nomads use long reins. These reins are tied with an iron ring. The iron ring is pushed into the nostril of the animal. The dromedaries can live in thorny plants, leaves, twigs, and dried grass that other animals can't eat. They keep stores of fat in the humps on their back. Their bodies can use their stores of fat in bad times when there is no food. They can make water from these stores too. Dromedaries are able to go without food and water for many days. Hence, they are extremely useful for journey across the desert.
Yes, Beta. Was there any answer which you feel is wrong?
Excuse me,
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, speak, Beta.
Ma'am, can it be that dromedaries can live on thorny plants?
Yes, it can be for sure.
I also have.
Yes, you also speak out. We can always have more than one option. Speak out, Beta.
Ma'am, in 11th one, can we write their bodies can use these stores of fat during bad times?
I'm not getting. Speak again.
Ma'am, can we write in the 11th, their bodies can use these stores of fat during bad times?
These is not a preposition, na? Actually, these is not a preposition. We have to fill prepositions only.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I'm saying during.
During is also not a preposition, children. Okay, try and fill only the prepositions part here.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, which that is the only way. Otherwise, see, English wise, grammatically, it is not wrong. It's correct.
Ma'am,
But where you have to see that the option is only that you have to fill a preposition.
Okay, ma'am.
I want
Ma'am?
one boy. Yes, Peter, you want to speak something? Speak.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the eighth one, can we write the iron ring is pushed through the nostril of the animal?
Through the nostril, through actually means that you put something and it comes out from the other side. That is the word through, beta. Okay. So it does not actually, it's not through because the thing is not coming out from the other side of the nostril. Through word is basically used when from one side you put something and it comes out from the other side. We use the word through. So I would suggest don't use through because nostril, even if you put anything in the nostril, it will not come out from the other side. The other side is all blocked, no? This is the third paragraph and the last paragraph for this. Have you written the answers for the second one, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Good that you people ask your queries, whatever you have. Those who have written the answers, put on the heading paragraph 3, prepare your answers. We'll discuss, raise your hands. And those who have not written, first finish your written part. Hurry up,
Excuse me,
children. Yes, Peter, speak.
ma'am. Saksham Sharma is trying to enter. Ma'am, he's
Why
messaging
is
on
he
the.
trying to enter now?
Ma'am, I entered. Ma'am, I got disconnected.
Though I have, yeah, yes. Those who get disconnected, I see their names in the attendance screenshot and I admit them. But those who try to admit 5 minutes before or 10 minutes, then that is not possible. Okay, Saksham, now you're also there. Hurry up, everybody. Third answers, third paragraph, quickly. Very nice class. Hurry up, bachas. Today is Wednesday, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am means we will get prepositions and modals in our duties.
Yes, you have prepositions, you have modals, you've got analytical paragraphs. Oh, your syllabus is not yet shared now?
No, ma'am. And
I'll
ma'am,
ask Principal Sir today. We have compiled the syllabus. I'll ask Principal Sir. If Sir allows, we'll post it today.
okay, ma'am.
I'll ask Sir today. We've
Excuse me,
already
ma'am.
compiled the syllabus. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you please send this PDF on the group?
Okay. I'll do that. No issues.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Hurry up. Raise your hands. Let me see how many have done. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fine. Hurry up, hurry up. Last 30 seconds I'm giving you, children. Let me see. Should we start the discussion?
Ma'am, please
Yes,
wait,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Some of your friends are saying to wait, so let's wait. Let me know once you're done, children. I'm waiting.
Ma'am, now, ma'am. Yeah.
Now have you finished? Can we discuss?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I was saying that
Fine, Bache. If you have done, then we'll do. The rain had just stopped. I went dash the garden.
In.
I
In.
went
In.
In.
Ma'am, two.
I went to the garden. How can you go in the garden? No? We cannot enter. I went to the garden. Then I heard a soft mewing. I saw a little white kitten. What is a kitten?
ma'am,
The baby of a cat.
Child of a cat.
child of a cat.
The child of a cat.
Good. It was so thin that its bones were showing. It was wet and shivering. I brought it dash the house.
Inside the house.
In the
house.
In.
In.
Good. I
In.
bought it in the house and dried it. My brother came
Out.
dash. My brother came.
Out of.
My brother came. Tell me.
asking.
Okay, asking is not a preposition. My brother came out. We can take this. Do you know who this kitten belongs
2.
2.
to? Very good.
Two.
Kitten belongs to. I asked him. My brother said he had seen some kittens dash the long grass.
In.
In.
Very good. Kittens in the long grass dash
Off.
our house.
Off.
Off. Very
Outside.
good. Very good. Of our house. The mother cat was just astray. He told me to give the kitten some fish. There was no more fish, so I took some rice and gave it to the kitten, but it would not eat the rice. I wonder if it is old enough to eat rice, it may still be feeding dash
On.
its mother's
On.
milk.
On.
On.
Very
On.
good. On its mother's milk, said my brother. I warmed dash some milk.
Up.
Very good. Warmed up. Good. I warmed up some milk and gave it to the kitten, but it would not drink the milk. I wonder if I should give it back to its mother, I said. Yes, you'd better do that, said my brother. My brother and I carried the kitten dash off
Out.
the house.
Out.
Out.
Very out of the house. We heard loud mewing. It was mother cat. I put dash the kitten.
Down.
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 Okay, fine. I put down the kitten. It mewed loudly but stayed still. The mother cat ran quickly to the little kitten. It started licking the kitten all
All over.
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 excellent, very, very all over. The kitten kept mewing loudly. Do you think it's telling its mother dash me?
About.
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 I asked my brother. Very, very good children. Now tell me one thing.
Ma'am, what is the
Who-
10th and 11th?
Just hold on 1 second. Who will read out the entire paragraph with answers so that if somebody has missed any answer, they can write?
Ma'am, may I?
May I? May I?
Kavya was the first one to say, and then Vyom can speak. Yes, Kavya, speak. You were the first one to say you want to do it. Yes, Vita,
Yes,
speak
ma'am.
quickly.
The rain had just stopped. I went to the garden. Then I heard a soft mewing. I saw a little white kitten. It was so thin that its bones were showing. It was wet and shivering. I brought it inside the house and dried it. My brother came out. Do you know who this kitten belongs to? I asked him. My brother said he had seen some kittens in the long grass outside our house. The mother cat was just astray. He told me to give the kitten some fish. There was no more fish, so I took some rice and gave it to the kitten, but it would not eat the rice. I wonder if it's old enough to eat rice. It may still be feeding on its mother's milk, said my brother. I warmed up some milk and gave it to the kitten, but it would not drink the milk. I wondered if I should give it back to its mother, I said. Well, yes, you'd better do that, said my brother. My brother and I carried the kitten out of the house. We heard loud mewing. It was the mother cat. I put down the kitten. It mewed loudly but stayed still. The mother cat ran quickly to the little kitten. It started licking the kitten all over. The kitten kept mewing loudly. Do you think it's telling its mother about me? I asked my brother.
Very good, children. Who else will speak now?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Vita, speak please.
The rain had just stopped. I went to the garden. Then I heard a soft mew. I saw a little white kitten. It was so thin that its bones were showing. It was wet and shivering. I brought it inside the house and dried it. My brother came out. Do you know who this kitten belongs to? I asked him. My brother said he had seen some kittens in the long grass outside our house. The mother cat was just astray. He told me to give the kitten some fish. There was no more fish. So I took some rice and gave it to the kitten, but it would not eat the rice. I wonder if it's old enough to eat rice. It may still be feeding on its mother's milk, said my brother. I warmed up some milk and gave it to the kitten, but it would not drink the milk. I wondered if I should give it back to its mother. I said, yes, you would better do that, said my brother. My brother and I carried the kitten out of the house. We heard loud mewing. It was the mother cat. I put down the kitten. It mewed loudly but stayed still. The mother cat ran quickly to the little kitten. It started licking the kitten all over. The kitten kept mewing loudly. Do you think it's telling mother about me? I asked my brother.
Excellent, beta. Very good. Have you written these answers in the notebook or not yet?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, written.
Ma'am written.
This is the last task for today. Okay. First, only the first 5 sentences. We have only 11. So you write exercise 3. What will you write now? Heading exercise
3.
Plan your answers for the first 6. Let me discuss. Very quickly, let's do it. This is the last task for today. Prepositions. Beta, in the first exercise, we had how many sentences? How many answers you people must have written?
Ma'am, 50.
50.
And 50.
50. Very good. And then how many paragraphs have we done?
3.
3.
As I already told you, from Monday, I'll be posting roll numbers on your groups. And I'll be giving you a time in the evening of half an hour. Those roll numbers will post their work at that time. Accordingly, only I'll give UT internal marks. You will have to post your work. Roll number and names I'll be putting on the group. That these students today, this time you have to post your work. So in case your work is not complete, I've already told you I'll be starting this system from Monday. So you can start working on this. If your work is missing somewhere, please do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, from Monday, I'll start writing roll numbers and names of those students. They'll be posting their
I'm
answers.
in the class group.
Yes, beta, on the class group. I'll be posting the names. I'll be posting your names on the class groups only because your UTs are there in June. I'll have to give you internal marks for unit test also. So we'll do this exercise before the UTs only.
Ma'am, for modals also.
Modals and prepositions. 2 chapters already done. Have you done analytical paragraph, children?
No, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Writing
Ma'am, in the
section.
notebook.
Beta, writing section, what have we done?
Ma'am, nothing.
Ma'am, nothing.
Acha,
Ma'am,
analytical
nothing.
paragraph is not done with you. Chalo, never mind.
Yes,
I'll take it up after
Ma'am,
grammar
in
notes.
grammar notebook, only 3 exercises are done, right?
3 exercises. We already done modals also. I'm talking about prepositions. In prepositions, we did 50 answers for the first
Okay.
exercise. We had 50 sentences. So you must be having 50 words, then 3 paragraphs, and then this last exercise. This is about prepositions. If anyone's work is not complete, I'll tell you simply there are some students who are very regular. You can tell them to help you. Dhananjay is one of them. No. In your class 9th, I have some names with me. They're very regular. You can ask these students to help you out. If your work is not complete, but beta, please complete your work before Monday. If I had time, yes, I'm discussing this. Yes, you
Ma'am,
want to say
modal
something?
and ma'am, we need to submit our like modal and prepositions both.
Yes, beta. Obviously, modals were done first in the copy. So
Okay,
if you have
ma'am.
not done modals, then you do them after prepositions. Take it from somebody. Tell some of your friend to send it to you, and you can write it after preposition. That's okay.
Okay,
If I
ma'am.
had time, I could dilate dash on this subject.
From.
Very good. Very good. It is from. The teacher's explanations are quite intelligible dash the students.
To the student.
For the
For.
students.
Please keep writing the answers side by side because we're already discussing. This should be for the students. He rushed forward to help, irrespective dash the consequences.
Off.
Off.
Very good. Irrespective of the consequences. Very smart children. He was leaning dash a
Against.
table.
Against.
Against.
Very good. He was leaning against a table. I met Sohan yesterday, but I knew him long dash that.
Before.
Before.
Very, very good. Long before that. You'd better demand an answer dash that monitor
From.
as
From.
from. Very good. He said he was going to make a singer dash me.
Ma'am, we have not discussed it yet.
Let's do it together only. He said he was going to make a singer of me. Very good. But I thought he was trying to make a fool dash me.
Out of.
Of me. As I knew of me, of both the places, as I knew I could never make a success dash music.
Of.
Mhm. Of music. Good. So which option would be better?
C.
C1. Very good. Let's move on to this 8th one. We can't get everything we want from life. We must just make the best dash of it.
Of.
Off is perfectly correct. Let's move on to the 9th one. Don't break the flower dash its branch.
From.
Off. This one, beta. O-double-F. Off its branch. The village is inhabited dash tens of thieves.
By.
Hmm?
By.
Inhabited by. The last one. Mohan was instrumental dash helping the plan to succeed.
For.
Hmm?
Ma'am,
No.
in.
Yes, in is correct. Yes, very good. Instrumental in. I still have 1 minute. Let me discuss what was the first answer.
From.
Second one. Second.
For.
Third.
Of.
Good. Fourth.
Against.
Very good. Fifth.
Before.
Very good. Sixth.
From.
Seventh.
Of.
Which option is correct?
C.
Eighth.
Of.
Ninth. O-double-F. And what about the 10th one?
By.
By. Very good. What about the 11th one?
In.
In. Have you written the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Now please start posting on the group so that I
Yes,
can put
ma'am.
it in front of your name. Start posting. Quickly keep posting.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta. Keep posting. I'm seeing on the group. You people keep posting quickly.